Hey, it's me.
Hi.
What you doing? You know what time it is. It's time for...
Chocolate break. Chocolate break. Chocolate break.
Now you watch. I preheated the oven. Are there enough chicken nuggets for me to have chicken nuggets for dinner?
You could put one of the kids in there too, and then I think he'd be fine.
Too noisy.
Okay.
But
Then
there's enough chicken nuggets. The Purdue Farms. I really need to look that up. I know there's some like seedy history with that. They were in the news. But
Maybe we should just have some chocolate first.
let's have a weird chocolate break. Shall we? Let's.
I guess.
Holy Christmas, what is that?
It's chocolatey tree stumps. They went out and they took the bark off of trees and they put chocolate on it.
What
And
company would make that?
A tiny squirrel is watching in horror.
Yeah.
As
That's wonderful.
that man with a large axe is cutting
The
down
axe man.
trees. He's axing them. And then that little bunny hopping away says, "Cookies?"
Mm-hmm.
There's a bear back there applauding the man's death.
And what's the company that brings this all together for us?
Bourbon.
Bourbon, right there. Freaking Japanese company called Bourbon.
Oh, and
that
there's a
makes-
little bird in the tree up there. Please don't cut down my tree, please.
Homeless animals, a man with a hatchet. It's a treat for us all. Care to crack open? I believe it opens like a little tray thing, yeah. Chocolatey tree stump, chocolatey tree stump makes everybody so freaking happy. Yeah, so I think you're supposed to like open it up and dump it all in, or I don't know.
It's not going to be easy to take it out with the way that it. If you do it like that.
Perhaps a rotation. Our friends at home might be blocked by the lid of the chocolatey tree stump. Perhaps you should show them what's up by stabbing at the camera with the blade of the knife. There you go. My little pony, chocolatey tree stump. Oh, this is getting out of hand. No, don't dump them all in. Don't. Oh, this is gonna get bad. Oh, look at you. You can't do that. No.
There.
Goddamn fucking chocolate, goddamn motherfucking tree stump bullshit fucking candy. I was speaking French, I'm sorry. I'm interested in a chocolatey tree stump that I found at a grocery store today. Oh, these are weird, dude.
They're silly looking.
They are. They more look like chopped off dinosaur feet or elephant feet.
If you look at them this way, they could be like an eye.
It's so beautiful.
Big dinosaur looking.
Can we get your eyes replaced with chocolatey tree stumps? Okay, let's eat one. Cheers. How's that a treat? It tastes like a chocolatey tree stump. At least the advertising is correct.
Chocolate's weird.
The wooden element seems kind of like a light.
Reminds me of a Milano cookie.
A what?
Like those Milano cookies.
Oh, Milano. Okay.
What do you think I said?
I thought you said a mulatto cookie.
Oh, Milano.
I was thinking like. Anyway. Yeah, I get that. I don't know. The cookie reminds me a little bit of graham cracker, texture-wise. The chocolate reminds me of hell.
Yeah, the chocolate's not very good. If the chocolate was better, it would be alright. And there's just a little much chocolate to Cherie Stump. If there was a little less chocolate, it would be better. Just a little less.
We need an arborist. I'm gonna give it 0. But it is freaking weird, which is rad.
I'll give it a half. Because I do like the little cookie on the inside. Or cracker. Or whatever it is supposed to be.
Either way, you win.
Either way, I'm right.
So you tell me.
Alright.
What you got?
This is funny. It's Bubu Lubu.
Bubu Lubu.
Bubu Lubu.
Bubu Lubu.
Bubu Lubu.
Boom. Open Bubu Lubu. Open the Bubu Lubu. I'm still sleepy. Since last week, I'm actually still sleepy. I don't sleep anymore. I carry around my back left and I
This
like...
is made by Bimbo.
Bimbo. Bimbo in like, what, Texas?
It's made in Mexico, but you know all those little snacks?
I do.
It's all marshmallow.
Bimbo.
Marshmallow.
Is that correct side up?
Yeah, because the other side is flat
Mm.
and very bottomy. Looks like a turd.
I wish I had a thing so it could go like
Oh, crazy.
Bimbo.
It's distributed by a place in Texas.
Yeah. Pick your Bimbo.
And it's got, what is that? A strawberry on it. So
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's what that goo is.
Let's ensconce our faces in the goo. Cheers. Your thoughts?
0.
Why?
The gel does not taste right.
Hmm.
I don't like the texture either. It's crunchy, like
Mm-hmm.
gritty.
Mm-hmm. Wow, we are really at odds on this one. I'm giving this one a 5.
Whoa.
So many times I've had like marshmallow cream eggs, like Russell Stover ones, that just make me want to gag and barf. This one has a nice thin coating of chocolate. The marshmallow is at least a little bit pert, you know. It's like peaked meringue style rather than just like this mung that just goes all through it. And this strawberry tastes good. Are you gonna eat that?
No way.
Oh, dude. I'm all over that. That's how I good. You don't know what's good.
You sure about that?
Talk to the hand. No, you didn't. What was the other one?
Okay, dude.
was another one. Trying to teach the kids all these little sayings.
Oh, damn it.
No. It was really cute when our son would just be like, God damn it. Just out of nowhere. But he would use it like correctly. Mm-hmm. And then he started going, Jesus Christ. Also using it correctly. It was just like.
And then what happened?
Well, he was like in school on a Zoom meeting. They can't hear him anyways, but it was funny too, because he was messing around with his calculator. And he's all, God damn it. And I like look at him like, and he's all, oops. It's like, okay, another rightfully placed word. Although, I gotta say, the funniest thing that I've heard in a long time was today when Mimi was saying, I love kibble.
He told her to say it.
I know, but she said it with such feeling.
She bought into it. I love kibble. All I eat is kibbles. All I eat is kibbles. Don't actually tell anybody that, sweetie. Why? I love kibbles. What's kibbles? It's dog food or cat food. No, it's not. And then she gets all pissed off when we tell her what it really is. Yeah. And she thinks that we're lying to her because kibbles are delicious. We would never feed our children kibbles. She got Lucky Charms. And we were
I was just saying that breakfast cereal, if you eat it as a snack, is like about the same thing as like, well, as you can see, we've changed our form. But with the device, it shat on us. So, send us more devices. We just need more devices, I guess.
Right.
The nightmare of technology besieges us much as it besieges you. With light switches, I mean, what are those for?
They're just an annoyance.
I know. You like pick at them and they don't do anything. You are real. You have a face. But you don't. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.